All right, guys, I just shipped out a bunch of products. Started hanging up these American flags in the shop here. These are old American flags I took from one of my last jobs because they were going to throw them out. And it got me thinking about something I'd want to do for a long time. I want to make an eagle sculpture. So let's look at the parts I got and see what we can throw together. Let's check it out. Okay, now we're going to jump into a time lapse here. And you can see it's almost entirely made of silverware. It's got an inner structure of steel, but the rest of it is almost entirely knives, spoons, couple of forks. That's basically what the entire body is made out of. Here you can see it at the Frank Brockman Gallery in Brunswick, Maine. He's having a show in a couple of weeks, and I was able to get this and a couple other of my pieces in here. If you like this video, make sure you're subscribed, give this video a like, check out my other cool art videos in this playlist down here, and I'll catch you guys next time.